Alright, here's 806 East Cooper. The house is set, roof is on, siding has started, and we're rolling. Alright, walking up the stairs. Here's the front entry. Here's a view to the river, Folly River. The dining area in front of us. Here's the kitchen area. This is where the refrigerator will be. Back deck is mostly covered, which will be screened in. And an open deck area where I'm standing, which has access to the master bedroom. Nice full-size 10-foot deck. And a staircase down to a concrete pad, and then go to the shared dock out to the river. Here's the back side, nice trees and a gorgeous view of the river in the distance.